and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today something very easy, taste, al bacio like always, typical from South Italy. We're going to cook pasta and fennel. Absolutely delicious. We did just few ingredients. Of course, we need fennel. Wash your fennel. 3 fennel is more or less they was 300 grams each. We're gonna need some orange zest, butter, garlic, black olives, anchovies. Save some of these because we're gonna use for decorate the plate when we're gonna take some pictures. As always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel and check our website cookingwithanitalia.com. We cook al bacio. Guys, take your fennel, cut thin, very thin. Fennel is done, thin like that. The anchovies, just chop roughly like that. Hot pan, olive oil, quite nice amount. Okay, garlic, anchovy. You have this oil, the anchovies you can put inside as well. For the fennel. A little bit of butter as well. Some salt. Don't forget the anchovies, they salty. No exaggerate, okay? And some black pepper. Mix. I give them 5 minutes. Water boil. Pasta in. Garlic, I take it out. Olive inside. Guys, the smell is already very nice. Little bit water from the pasta. Put the minimum. Check salt and pepper if it's okay. The time the pasta cooking, turn it off, butter inside. I leave it. When the pasta is al dente, we're gonna finish to cook inside the. I can't wait to try it. Okay, guys, the pasta is al dente. I turn it off. Start mix everything. I was gonna cook another minute maybe. Water, take from here, from the pasta. Mix very well. Guys, for me it's okay. Turn it off. Again, butter. Black pepper, a nice. It's very important, black pepper here, okay? Orange, zest on. The zest on, and now it's completely different taste. Is quite interesting. Guys, pasta, fennel is this, absolutely Mediterranean and delicious. Always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.